Today, we are making Aloo Gobi. Happy New Year, welcome back to the channel, and happy Veganuary. Yep, that's right. All month long, we are making, eating, and absolutely loving some great vegan dishes. Place a frying pan on a stove hob set to medium-high heat, and add approximately 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can slice or cube your potato chunks, but make sure to keep your cauliflower florets small. Once the oil has heated up, add the florets and the potatoes to the pan and fry them for a couple of minutes. Now, normally what I would do is add the cumin seeds before I added the florets and the potatoes. On this particular day, I didn't have the seeds, so we're just starting with these. Once they've begun to brown, take them off the heat and place them on a plate lined with a paper towel. It'll soak up the extra olive oil. Then you're going to use the exact same pan for your onions. Now, normally what I would do before I sauteed the onions, I would toast the cumin seeds, but I don't have cumin seeds on me today. I have cumin powder, so that's going to go in with the rest of the other powders. And once you've given the onions a couple of minutes, about 2-3 minutes to begin to turn translucent, then you can go ahead and add in a very cool mixture, ginger and garlic paste. And you're gonna saute this for about 2 minutes. And after that, you are good to add in your 2 medium-sized tomatoes. I chopped them up still a little too big, but they're gonna soften, start to release their juices, and they'll still do their job, so it's fine. But chop them up smaller, just to be sure. Hey, it's time for a food fact. Aloo Gobi is a potato, aloo, and cauliflower, gobi, and it's said to have originated in the state of Punjab. That being said, it is popular all over India as well as Pakistan and Nepal. As a main dish, it can be eaten with things like rice, naan, roti, or even a cucumber salad. Aloo Gobi is inexpensive, easy to make, savory, and filling. Back to the recipe. All right, now we're gonna add in the turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder. Coriander power, yeah. It's my new superhero, working on the comic book, coming out 2050. And like I said, because I don't have the seeds today, the cumin powder. We're gonna stir this up right quick and then let this sit still on a medium-low heat for just a few minutes. It is time to add back into the pan the cauliflower. One more ingredient before we mix, some Garam Masala. Mix everything together and still on low, we're gonna let this simmer for a few more minutes. Oh, it smells so good. Oh man, no cilantro. I know not everybody loves cilantro. I do like it once in a while. In it goes. Last thing we're gonna do, add a little bit of salt, or add how much salt you would like. And then we're gonna cover it for an additional 5 to 6, 7 minutes. And then it's time to eat. Warm, comforting, not too spicy, and absolutely delicious. See you in the next video. Bye.